It's the fucking Ford Ranger. LED headlights. This thing's gonna look fucking fabulous. What up, Tire Garage TV? Yo, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you being here. I really do. My name is Pablo. This is the Tire Garage TV. I work, own, and live here at the Tire Garage. It's a little tire shop located here in Santa Ana, Southern California. Located in Santa Ana, Southern California. And thank you for being here. And on this channel, I'll show you all the cool, crazy stuff that I like to do with cars. Anything car related, I love to do. So turning wrenches, doing lift kits, I don't know, brakes, all that stuff. Car shows, car meets, all that stuff. Anything car related, I'll show you here. So if you love turning wrenches, if you love cars, so if you're a gearhead, this is the channel for you. Yeah. So on this episode, I think you can see what's behind me, right? You've seen that one before. It's been here before. You know it before. It's the fucking Ford Ranger. If you've been following, you've been seeing the upgrades we do to this thing. We did the level kit, did the mud tires, did the LED pods, then we did the grill. And this time we're doing the LED lights. This thing's gonna look fucking sick. It already looks sick. Now it's gonna shine sick, okay? Because at night, those headlights, they look horrible. And yellow, bleh. So let's get rid of those. Put some nice bright white, bluish. I like that bluish tone to me. But these are going to be like a whitish color. So, you know, that looks a lot better. A lot better than yellow. Let's upgrade these bitches. So here's what I did, okay? I went cheap and I went Amazon, okay? I bought these at Amazon. They're LED lights. It's basically the bulb, the LED bulb for the headlights. But if you do headlights, you got to do high beams, low beams, and fog lights too. So we got to do all three. So let's do that today. That's what we're doing today. Cool? You gonna watch? Yeah? Okay. This baby's here, so let's get to work. All right? Let's get to work. You ready? Let's get to work. So these lights are kind of in a tight spot. You'll be able to see them though. Actually, before we take them out, let me show you the yellowness that I'm talking about. Okay? Here. See that? That yellow? Blech. Icky. Headlights were yellow like that in the 80s. Maybe early 90s. I don't like it. It's yellow, dude. See? Even the fog lamps are yellow. Fog lamps are decent, but I don't like them. Yeah, I don't like them. So, let's swap them out. Let's see what we're working with first. So I ordered these online, like I said. LED headlights. So, 2 are for the fog lights. Actually, I think these are the headlights and fog lights. And I think these are the high beams. So, the connectors are always going to be different, so there's no confusion. So let's open these up, see what they look like. See, look at the connector. The connector is always different. See, the teeth are a little more wider on this one. So that way there's no confusion. These go there, these go here, and that's just the way it is. So let's take the old ones out first, and then we'll go from there. So these lights are kind of in a tight spot. Front driver's side, check it out. So gotta reach in there, and high beams are easy to get to. Low beams are a little harder, but you can still reach it. I got big hands and I can still do it. Check it out. So I noticed these are the ones with the wide teeth. See that? So those are going to be these suckers over here. So he's got the wide teeth. Now here's one thing you got to notice. So you want this beam to actually not be like this. So it's got to sit in there like this. Okay? Vertical. Pay attention to that. See, look at this. So it's hard to show you, but I don't like the way it sits. So the back of the light bulb has it's supposed to snap into place, right? And on top of that, it's got like a lid that's supposed to seal off moisture, any water, anything like that, away from the bulb itself, from the electrical connectors. But the way it sits, because the butt of the bulb actually sits, let me show you. This butt of the bulb actually sits a little far out. That lid that protects it from any moisture, it doesn't sit right. So I don't like that, but I'm going to leave it like that for now. Let me show you. Actually, you can't even see it. Well, you can kind of. You notice here? You notice here, it's not closed. It seals down here, but not on this side, because this side butts up to the fan of the actual bulb. So I think I'm gonna leave it like that for now, but I'll keep an eye on them. Most likely they're gonna I have a feeling it might fail if it gets moisture in there, so hopefully it doesn't. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see, try it. Let me test it out. I put 2 in. Let me see what they look like. Check that out. Woo-hoo-hoo. Already it looks good. Look at this yellow. Look at this. Like bluish tone, right? That looks good. I love that shit. That looks really good. High beam, let's test it out. Yeah. It's not coming on. Let me see why. Okay, I found the issue. Check it out. That's high beams. So, because the original ones have a little thing that doesn't let you plug it in a certain way. These Amazon ones are cheaper, so they don't. So if you plug them in one way, if it's the correct way, they'll work. If you plug it in the wrong way, so the negative and the positive have to be in the right place. And if you plug it in the wrong way, they're just not going to work. So that's what's happening here. So let's do the other side. So let's pop that one back in, and let's do the other side. See, this is what I'm talking about. See that little stick right there? It's called it guides you. It's a guide. So it guides you in what direction the positive and the negative are. On these, it doesn't have it. See that? So it's a good idea to try them before you install them. Just plug them in and turn them on. Make sure you got them the right way. All right, low beams and high beams are done. Now, what's cool for me is I have a lift. So I need to do the fog lamps, which I need to go under the car. But I have a secret weapon. Haha. It's a lift. It's up there. So there you have it. That was easy. Headlights LED installed at the tire garage. As for now, this is it. I'll cut the video. This was actually a short video, but cool. It's a good video because stuff like that, honestly, makes your car look 10 times better. I have a playlist of that too. Things that I want to do to cars, that I like to do to cars, to make them look better. So this is one of them, okay? This is part of a series of 5 things to do to your stock car that makes it look sick, okay? I'll put that playlist up here too so you can take a look at it. And cool, so thank you for watching. I appreciate you being here. I'm gonna post my Instagram up here. I'll post the shop Instagram up here. Go take a look at those 2 accounts. I'm on social media a lot. As for now, let's get out of here. Close up, it's Friday, so time to go home. Time to go have some fun. And yo, what up YouTube fam? It's a few months later and I want to give you an update. You know how I showed you how that part of the bulb, of the LED bulb, the fan of it butted up with the cover on the Ranger? Well, it turned out it didn't affect it. We ran it for a few months and it was driving perfectly fine. Unfortunately, that truck got sold already, so customer no longer has it. But throughout the whole period, even in the rain and stuff like that, it never affected the LED bulb. So it worked out perfectly fine, at least for a year's worth. Farther than a year, I can't say because the car got sold, so we don't know what happened to it. Last time I saw it was at the Ford dealership here in Orange, and it was just sitting there waiting to get bought by somebody. Hey, so somebody out there has it. So shout out to you if you bought it. So there's that. Worked out perfectly fine. I left the covers on, they never fell out. I don't think there was an issue with it, so as from what I know, they're fine. Second thing, help me support the channel. Use the links down below. I'm gonna link up those LED lights that I bought for that Ranger. I'm gonna link them down below. Anything you buy out through those links helps support the channel. I appreciate you for that. I really do. So help me out, support this channel. That way I can bring more videos over here. All right, so catch you on the next one. I appreciate you being here. Thank you for watching. And you know what to do, man. You know what to do. Let's get to work.
Yeah.